Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. Happy Monday to you as well. Hope everybody's enjoying their day, celebrating. Thank you to everybody who has given to our country. We really appreciate it. Without you, we wouldn't be where we are today. So thank you for everybody's support, and we really appreciate it. So hello, everybody. Hello, Gary. I see some people joining. So thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate it. It is nice to see some people on, watching me. Sorry that I have been MIA for the last week. I really haven't been on Facebook at all in terms of doing Facebook Lives, but I thought I would bring a fun cocktail since it's nice and warm outside, a rosé margarita. But before I do the rosé margarita, we are open tonight. We are open now, so starting at 5 o'clock until about 8:30, 9 o'clock this evening. So please call and make reservations. We will be busy. We do have our tiki masala special this evening, which is a buy one, get one free tiki masala chicken served with rice and broccoli. And that is to go only. We, let's see, I'm trying to think what else we have going on here. So we had a great weekend. I actually wasn't here all week. Justin had baseball down in Pomona at Boulder Stadium, at Clover Stadium down in Pomona. They had their MAC playoff championship, and Canisius won the whole MAC conference, so very cool. So they won the conference, they moved on to regionals. We just found out this morning that regionals are in Miami, and they will be playing the University of Miami on Friday, and then they will play another team on Saturday. We just don't know what team that is. So super exciting. Congratulations to Canisius. Congratulations to the Golden Griffs. They deserve it. They played awesome. They played 4 games and they were 4-0. They lost no games in Pomona. They played Ryder. They played Marist. Who else did they play, Courtney? I'm trying to think. They played Niagara. And so they were 4-0. So they actually played Ryder twice. So Ryder twice, Marist, and Niagara. They outscored their teams immensely. It was like 30-10 or something like that. It was kind of crazy. They played awesome. So congrats to the Golden Griffs. They played awesome. I'm super excited. If you want to see any of the live footage or pictures, just go onto Twitter or Instagram. All of the boys are posting stuff. The MAC conference is posting. The NCAA is posting. It's pretty cool. So big time. They were on ESPN this morning, so it was really cool. So thanks everybody for watching. Hello Ralph. Thanks Ralph. Hello Cheryl. There's a few other people on. We appreciate you watching us. We appreciate your support. And let's see. So next week, I'm trying to think what we have going on. So next Monday, so a week from today, we have an Apulian wine tasting. We have Lucia from Apulia. She will be here, and we'll be doing all Apulian wines for that tasting. Hopefully we'll be outside in the garden. That is the goal. Hopefully we'll be outside in the garden. That is next Monday. It is 4 wines and a dish for $29. You can't beat it. Make reservations. It starts at 6:30. That is coming up. We have a rosé tasting next the 12th, so June 12th. We'll be doing all rosés in our garden. That is $24.99. We should have tickets up where you can call ahead and let us know that you are coming and make reservations. We just need a credit card to hold it. So, all right, on to my rosé margarita. I'm going to be using Wild Moon Liqueur Rosé. I grabbed the wrong thing. I grabbed gin by accident. So we'll be using Pueblo Vieja tequila. So I am going to add 2 ounces of Pueblo Vieja tequila. I'm going to be adding 1 ounce of Curacao. Curacao is our triple sec. I'll be adding about 1 ounce of rose liqueur. You can use rosé wine as well if you have rosé wine at home. I'm using rosé wine. I'm going to add a splash of agave, which is our simple syrup, and I'll be adding a little bit of lime juice. You can make it as sour or not sour as you'd like. Some people like it more sour than they like it sweet, so you can make that at home how you like. So we'll go ahead and give it a shake. And then I'm going to add some salt. So I'm going to do something fun today. I've been seeing this all over the place. Just a little salt to the edge. Let's see if we can get it to stick here. It's kind of fun to see. So just a little bit of salt on the edge of my glass, a little bit different this time. I like my margaritas on the rocks. How do you like your margaritas? You like them on the rocks? So I'm gonna put some ice in my glass, and I'm going to pour the rosé margarita with a little more shake. Hello Ruth, hello Sabrina. Thank you everybody for joining me. You know, it's not super rosé color, but if you were to use rosé wine, it would be a little bit more rosé color. So let's go ahead and give that a taste. That rosé comes out really nice in there. You can add a splash of soda to it, tone it down a little bit. That is really good. I'm a margarita lover. Do you like margaritas? Give me a thumbs up if you like margaritas. In the comments, leave me your favorite flavor of margarita. Do you like just a plain margarita? Do you like hibiscus, rosé? What kind of margarita do you like? If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. I'm gonna take another sip. So again, sorry that I've been MIA on my cocktails. We have been watching a lot of baseball, and we've been kind of, we don't know when they were going to play again, so we were kind of all over the place this past week. So thanks everybody for joining us here at Aroma Thyme, for being patient, for joining me right now. I really appreciate that. So Canisius made it to the regionals. Again, I will share congratulations to the Golden Drifts, Justin's team. Those of you that don't know that our son plays Division I baseball in Buffalo at Canisius College. So that has been fun. And let's see, and a big shout out to my daughter's boyfriend. Happy birthday. Today is his birthday. So happy birthday if you see him around. Wish him a happy birthday. I think he'll be in here later having a drink with us, celebrating. So happy birthday. And he'll be coming in for his free steak dinner, correct? Court, he's coming in for his free steak dinner tonight. So if it is your birthday, come on in. You get a free steak dinner on your birthday. If we are closed Tuesday and Wednesday and your birthday falls on a Tuesday or Wednesday, you can come in Monday or Thursday. If you come in another day and it is not your birthday, then if you don't come in on the day of your birthday, it is half off a steak dinner. So let's see. So Sven said, I'm coming over for a drink. Awesome. Sven, we look forward to seeing you. Thank you everybody for watching. Hello Christopher and Rosemary. Really appreciate it. Drop a comment for me to see. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here. Really appreciate everybody's support. And we are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. Back open Thursday. We have jazz on Thursday night. Depending upon the weather, we will be doing inside or outside. It's only one or the other. So jazz would be outside or inside depending upon the weather. It really has to be above 65 degrees to be sitting outside, and that has to be like the course of the evening so that it's not super cold out there. So that is it. Hope everybody has an awesome night. I will catch you all hopefully tomorrow. I will do a Facebook Live. So have a wonderful night and enjoy. Cheers, and we'll catch everybody soon on Facebook or at Aroma Thyme. Have a great night.